6. Do you read me? Over. Ennion receiving unit. This is Dagwood White Dog 1-6 requesting a commo check. Can you read me? Over.
If you don't mind me saying, sir, maybe we should head to the assembly point.
Not yet. Pearson will get here.
Sir, is it true about Pearson getting those men killed at the Kazarine Pass?
One day, Daniels, when you're leading your own platoon, you find out there's usually two options. Bad and worse. But you focus on your men, because that's what'll get you through.
Tell that to Pearson.
Sergeant Pearson. You just pray you're never in that position.
Lieutenant! Just got a transmission from Baker. They're gonna assault Hill 493. Pearson's with them.
What?
He took our guys and 2nd platoon.
Gear up! Let's move!
Keep up! Let's go! Let's go!
Maybe Pearson's still at the base of the hill.
I'm guessing we're way past that! Keep moving, goddammit! Sounds like our guys!
Daniels!
You all right?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Where's the rest?
Pearson took him to attack the guns. We begged for reinforcements.
Stubborn son of a bitch. We'll come back for you.
Hurry! They need us! Get down! Artillery barrage! Forward! There's no way around!
We have to move up this hill. Stay low and advance.
Enemy movement ahead! Head ahead! Hurry! Daniels, take them out one at a time! Don't stop! Right side! You're pinning our boys! We gotta get to our squad up ahead!
MG down!
2 gunners left! One more MG! Take him out!
Cleared him!
MG's down!
Tossing out a grenade!
Somebody help me! Help! Go, go, go! Please help me! I can't walk! Daniels, you made it!
Good to see you, buddy.
Pearson! What the hell were you thinking?
I'm staying on mission! We need to get our engineer to clear that pillbox!
This isn't over!
Keep your head down and go!
Covering
Move up!
fire!
Go, go, go! Covering fire!
Lobbing a grenade!
Daniels, hit that MG pillbox! MG
Move now!
erupted! Moving! Ready for your signal! MG's fire! Let me know when to go!
German infantry! Smoke grenade! Move now!
Going in! Keep pressure on that MG! MG suppressed! Let me know when to go! Straight through the door! Enemy from the west! Right in front of us!
Throwing a smoke grenade!
MG fire interrupted! Let me know when to go!
Move now!
Heading up! Cover me! Suppress Pass that MG! MG's quiet! Let me know when to go! Go! Here we go! MG firing! Is it clear? Charges planted! Detonated early! How many casualties?
We executed the mission.
How many?
Our instructions were to take this hill.
You should have waited for
There
us.
wasn't time.
What about our
We
men?
had orders!
The hell with our goddamn orders!
Do you think I wanted any of this? We are cogs in the machine, Joseph. We start going our own way, the whole thing breaks down. When did you forget that?
These are men! Our men! When did you forget?
Those 150s are still firing on our position.
Keep moving. We're taking them out! Daniels, artillery is ahead. Get that door open. Enemies in the trenches!
Daniel, grenade for smoke!
Enemies down! Daniels, get a thermite on that gun! Fire in the hole!
Yankee Schweine!
Bunkers dead ahead!
There's more guns up ahead! Keep moving! Take some ammo, Daniels! Open it! This is it! Last 150!
Crowds are everywhere! We need to sweep this area before hitting the 150.
Grenade out! Enemies around the gun!
Smoke, Daniels!
Enemies down! Hit the last guns! Charges planted!
Tank still active!
Enemy reinforcements!
Find cover!
Too damn late!
okay. I've got you, son.
Lieutenant!
Ami. Verfluchten Schweine. Arschlöcher. Sie werden uns nie schlagen. Was machen sie hier auf unserem Kontinent? Hä? Ich will am Arsch lecken. Turner! Enemy reinforcements! Fall back!
I'm not gonna make it. Leave me. I got you! Go.
We're not gonna make it!
Stay with me. Turner! Lieutenant! We gotta get our boys out of here.
No, we can still make it!
You have to retreat.
No, we ain't leaving you here.
You get me up, I'll hold them off. You have to go! Go!
It was an honor.
You're